Welcome back to my channel. This is T from T-Dubb BBQ, and today we're going to do some tri-tip. Tri-tip has become one of my favorite cuts of beef. It's not always easy for me to find it where I live. Today we're trying a new rub that we found at Trader Joe's, so this should be a pretty interesting cook. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, share, leave a comment. We really appreciate your comments. If there are any cooks you'd like me to try, leave that in the comments. But let's get to it, and I'll see you on the other side of this cook. Okay, so here is the tri-tip that we got. It is, looks like it's from Swift Farms. Got this from Food Lion. First time getting a tri-tip in this cryo pack. Usually get them fresh, but hey man, we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna get it nice and rinsed off and cleaned up, and I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, so we got this nice and trimmed up a little bit. Just took off some of the silver skin, trimmed off some of the fat. This didn't come with a large fat cap, but I did trim a little bit off. As you can see, there's some imperfections there, but like I said earlier, this is my first time trying this tri-tip from this particular farmer, so we're gonna see how this goes. First, I'm gonna get some salt on here and some 16 mesh pepper. And then this rub we got from Trader Joe's. Really looking forward to trying this. It's a coffee and garlic rub from Trader Joe's, so we're gonna see how this turns out. I don't know, I like the way olive oil goes as a binder on tri-tip. Just beef in general. I'm a fan of using olive oil as a binder. Mustard as well, but I don't know. I do have some sea salt, so that's what we'll be using today. And come through here with some 16 mesh black pepper. Now with the rub from Trader Joe's. And this smells good. I can smell the coffee and garlic. Really excited about trying this one. And just get this flipped over and repeat the same process on the other side. Just get this nice and seasoned up on this top side. Wish you all could smell this rub. This rub smells really good. This is gonna be a good one, y'all. All right, got this nice and covered, and just let this sit and let the rub and the salt and the pepper have a chance to really soak in there, get a nice sweat out, and next time I see you guys, I'll be out on the pit. Okay, so we're rolling around 223, and this is pretty good temperature to get this on. As you can see, got a nice sweat happening here. Okay, so I got some post oak wood chunks I'm gonna put on here, get a nice smoke. Post oak and got some post oak and pecan wood chunks that I'm gonna put on here to get a nice smoke going, and see you in a few. Okay, so we're back out here to check on this and see where we are. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. What I'm gonna do is just get this turned around. Just roll a little more, and we'll be out here to check the temperatures. All right, so we are ready to try to get some searing going on, some reverse searing. I was going to crank up the Acorn Junior, but I'm just gonna get this bad boy seared up right here where we are. That side looks good as well. These Freedom gloves from Magna Chef are really good. You should get your hands on some. I'll put a link in the description. You can grab you a pair. Let it rest. And then next time, look at that. Pull that off. I'm gonna let it rest. Next time you see me, it'll be inside. Okay, so with the tri-tip, your grain is going this way, and then it starts to turn in here, so you want to cut against the grain. I think I'm gonna cut about right here. This might be a good spot. There you have it, guys. It was a very simple cook. Tri-tips are one of those cuts of beef where there's something for everybody because they're different levels of doneness. So if you're having people over and they like different types of steak, I suggest getting a tri-tip so you can pretty much satisfy everyone. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Until next time, keep smoking and grilling. Oh man, I don't know.